Sway bar link set heavy duty for MGB all years, 1962 to 1980. Hey, this is Leighton with British Parts Northwest here in Dayton, Oregon. For many years, the only option for your MGB was the old original Armstrong style sway bar link. The problem with the original joints was accelerated when a 3/4 inch sway bar was used. The original design just could not hold up to the pressures of spirited driving. With this, we had a heavy-duty sway bar link produced in the bulletproof design that TRW has pioneered. These modern joints have a ball and socket design that's made from hardened steel for a service life of over 100,000 miles. To compound the problem, the old Armstrong joint was open to the elements. This modern heavy-duty design has a sealed boot that will keep road grime and grit out of the joint to extend its service life. 100% bolt-on with no modifications will be needed to your MGB that will bolt on just like the original unit, but you will have the confidence that these will be the last sway bar links your MGB will need. Check these out on our website. A link will be in the description. We'll see you out on the road.